Good morning, this is Chef Walter Potenza. With me I have my two grandchildren. This is Simona on your right of the screen and Valentina's on the left. Today's lesson is homemade potato gnocchi. Is it potato or not?
No, it's cheese.
No, it's a ricotta gnocchi. These are the hands of Simona, who's slowly folding the gnocchi and give it a beautiful massaging and creating the texture that we need, right? A true gnocchi is the blending of what? The solids?
And
Liquids.
liquids.
What is the solid in this case?
Flour.
Flour. And the liquids?
Eggs.
And what else?
Cheese.
And cheese. It's not called just cheese.
Ricotta.
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 Ricotta, not ricotta like Americanos do. Ricotta. Okay? Just fold gently. Beautiful. Keep on going. And we'll return in a few minutes to show you the finished product. This is Chef Walter from Chef Walter's Cooking School in Cranston, Rhode Island.